Once again, ladies and gentlemen, join me in giving a very big round of applause to our distinguished VIPs. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our distinguished chief guests. Once again, please join me in giving them a very big round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a very warm Andhra Pradesh. When we said warm welcome, we really meant it. To the dignitaries on the dais, Jechol Liu, CEO, HS Company, Jae-Sung Lee, CEO, ES Company, Byung-Yeol Kim, Operations Group Head, Hong-Joo Yeon, LG EIL MD, Seong-Ho Lee, Ambassador of Republic of Korea to India, Chukapalli Suresh Garu, Honorary Consular General to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Srini Raju Garu, Ravi Sana Reddy Garu of Sri City, Katamneni Bhaskar Garu, Secretary IT, Venkateswara Garu, Collector, District Collector, Abhishek Kishore, VCMD APIC, and to all the dignitaries in front of me, a very warm welcome to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Today we are not just breaking ground, we are breaking new ground in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a great privilege to stand before you today at this momentous occasion, the groundbreaking ceremony of LG Electronics state-of-the-art facility here in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. I extend a very warm welcome to the leadership of LG Electronics, India and global, and its vendor companies to our state. Today marks more than just the beginning of a construction project. It is a defining milestone in the journey of industrial growth and technological advancement for our state and for our nation. Where innovation meets investment, the future is taking shape. With an investment exceeding 5,000 crores, LG Electronics is not only bringing a world-class manufacturing unit to Andhra Pradesh, but is also reaffirming global confidence in our state as a premier investment destination. We are really excited to deliver a product made in Andhra Pradesh, made for the world. This project is one of the first major foreign direct investment under the new government. The people of Andhra Pradesh gave us a resounding mandate. It's a history that we created in the last election. 94% of the seats that we contested, we won. And the clear mandate was about creating jobs. And we believe that this investment is in the step in that direction. This also reflects our leader, Mr. Naidu's commitment to speed of doing business, robust infrastructure, a future-focused vision of Andhra Pradesh. We promised ease of doing business, and today we are delivering speed of doing business. The LG factory will produce advanced home appliances, refrigerators, air conditioners, and washing machines, integrating the latest in smart and energy-efficient technology. A smart factory, a smarter state, a smarter India. That journey is beginning here today. This isn't just about manufacturing. It's about shaping the future of living. It's about creating jobs, empowering our youth, and transforming lives. We are not just building factories, we are building futures here. This facility alone will create nearly 1,500 direct jobs, and with LG's key vendors investing here, creating more than 700 jobs, will impact our economy and will create a lot of jobs for the locals. This is more than a company's groundbreaking. It is a groundbreaking movement for the youth of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to especially recognize the 4 key vendor partners of LG who are here. Ekoria and Kuroda Electric, Hengsung India, Kyungsung Precision, and Taisung Electronics, who are establishing high-tech units that will further strengthen LG's supply chain and reduce import dependence. The power of partnership is the passport to progress, and we in Andhra Pradesh believe in the power of ecosystem. Their presence demonstrates the power of collaborative growth and shared vision. It also shows the world how Andhra is positioning itself as a global electronics manufacturing ecosystem. When global giant meets Andhra Pradesh's ambition, magic will happen. And with this factory of LG coming up, we will be supplying 70% of domestic air conditioning for our great nation. Together, LG and its partners are bringing cutting-edge technologies like AI-driven manufacturing, smart production processes, and energy-efficient systems to Indian soil, advancing our ambition of becoming a global hub for electronics manufacturing. This project gels very well with our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of Make in India. Sri City has become a beacon of industrial progress. With projects like this, we are building more than factories. We are building futures, creating smart jobs, and writing a new chapter in the economic story of Andhra Pradesh. On behalf of Government of Andhra Pradesh, I assure you of our continued support at every stage of this project. From land acquisition, construction, to full-scale production, Andhra Pradesh government is a partner with you. We are committed to providing a seamless, efficient, and innovation-friendly environment for industries to thrive. Andhra Pradesh is now open for doing business, ready for innovation, and hungry for transformation. Let us celebrate this partnership, a partnership rooted in mutual trust, shared prosperity, and a collective goal of shaping a smarter, more connected world. Here I'd like to thank LG Electronics for choosing Andhra Pradesh. I know that all our neighboring states were chasing you for this investment. You have an amazing leadership team here. They have done an amazing job in negotiating on your behalf. And we will work hard together to make this project a successful project. And I would like to request the leadership of LG to also bring your sister companies to this wonderful ecosystem. All your partners, all your suppliers, we would love to host them here. You have the entire leadership of Sri City in front of you. I wouldn't say they're more aggressive than the government, but they're as aggressive as the state government. They are eager to build an entire ecosystem that we believe will be very critical in making this ecosystem not only successful, but thrive over the next century. It's not about one plant or one project. We want to build an LG city here in Sri City, and we request the support of the LG leadership here to make this a success. With every job created, with every innovation launched, we are scripting Andhra's rise as India's electronics powerhouse. Let this factory be the factory of dreams for every young engineer, every aspiring technologist, and every entrepreneur. As an HRD minister, this factory also gives me new challenges of giving you trained manpower, cutting-edge quality, leadership. We will work with your leadership to deliver that. And together, let's build not just machines, but dreams, not just products, but possibilities. So I'd like to thank the entire LG leadership for coming here, all the way from Korea. It means a lot. Rest assured, over the next 4 years, we will work on getting direct connectivity to our international airport here in Tirupati to make your journey more seamless. And it also helps that the Minister of Civil Aviation is from my party. He's a very young MP. He's the youngest cabinet minister in the history of India. So I'll definitely put this request in front of him, and I'll task him in connecting both our great nations from Tirupati. I would like to thank all of you for being here. I would like to thank all the MLAs of the districts for coming here. This project represents the possibilities in our own constituencies. All of us need to work hard. It's not just about one minister or one district collector, all of us should work hard in attracting investments and transforming our own constituencies. And as we are competing with other states, I believe now assembly constituencies also should compete amongst each other in attracting investments to your own constituencies and our great state and our great nation. With this, I would like to thank all of you. Jai Hind and Jai Andhra Pradesh.
Let me tell you in order of what is going to happen. Priests will set up the altar. Our priests will also chant the Lord Ganpati mantra. The lighting of the diya will happen by the priests. Our priests will also explain the purpose of the ceremony. The blessing of the land will happen for construction. The name, location, date and intent will be recited in Sanskrit by the priests. The worship to the Navagraha, which is the 9 planets, will happen. Offering of turmeric, kumkum, rice, flowers to Mother Earth will happen. And finally, chanting of Vedic mantras for land purification and blessings will happen.